If you procrastinate, know that you are not alone. It's a national epidemic, but there are many things that we can do to avoid or manage our tendencies to procrastinate. Think about what is procrastination about? We're putting off something that, no surprise, we know we have to take care of, and no surprise again, we probably do know how to take care of. But what we do is avoid it altogether, and then we create these 11th hour pressures where we are going to feel anxious because we have, kind of backed ourselves into a corner. What's the alternative? Many different things that you can do. One is to give yourself a chance to just look at what you need to do. Let's say you have a bunch of emails you have to return, but you just don't feel like you can deal with it, or you have letters you need to open, but you can't do it, or you have a report to start and you feel like, I can't. It's the I can't syndrome. Give yourself 5 minutes to look at that project and size it up. When you actually look at what you need to do, what you may find is it's only going to take an hour, or you start to get ideas about how you're going to tackle that problem. Then you don't want to avoid it anymore. Then you're on the track on your way to completion. Then you're actually motivated to get in there. So that's really important, is just to not hide, don't play hide and seek with your work. Take a look, time limited, and see that it's something that you can do. Another really helpful strategy along the same lines is to set up your launching pad for the work you have to do. Let's say you do have this report that you need to write, but you really just haven't wanted to do it. Get all the pieces together that you need to write it. Set up the papers and the pens, your laptop, whatever it is, the files you need. Set it all up and then walk away. Walk away for 15 minutes or whatever. When you come back, everything's set up for you, and then you're able to start. Because a lot of what procrastination is about is not being able to handle a transition. Well, when you set up your desk and walk away, when you come back, you're already kind of in that transition, and it really helps the work flow.